Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you some new features of our new major cMAM release, cMAM 3.2. First, let's check out the main view of cMAM, which is the home view. We removed the extra theme, logs, and other documentation icons from the home view. Now you have only mirroring and trading accounts here, which looks much cleaner and minimalist. Also, we have moved the about and documentation view to the toolbar. The icons are there. As you can see, it's about, and if you click here, it will open up the browser for documentation. Now, let's go back to the home view. Okay. There is a new icon on the bottom left corner of the cMAM. It's settings, it's new view. Here you have, it's similar to home view and it contains API configuration that you can change the your Connect API, Sportware Connect API application credentials there. Logs, we added some new stuff here. There is a report logs button and open logs folder. The reports log button sends all your cMAM log data in a zip file to us if you want to. Suppose your cMAM crashed and you want to give us the data that caused the crash. Instead of you sending manually the log files, you can open up cMAM, came here and send it from here. Another new button is uh, wait a minute, I have to close this. Okay. Another button is open logs folder. This here you if you click here, it will open up your logs folder, cMAM logs folder. You can check out the log files by yourself. Let's go back to the settings view. Okay, we have themes here, which is the same like previous versions. Now go back to accounts. As you can see, I have added several accounts. These are all demo accounts from several C-Trader brokers, as you can see. Now there is nothing new here in accounts view. There is nothing new. Let's see. Yeah, there were several issues in loading the history of account and transactions of account. We fixed those issues on this version. Now let's go to the mirroring, which is what we the new features we have added or in mirroring. Okay, now I click on create new mirroring profile. It's the mirroring profile creator view. Okay, what's new here? Let's give a name for our mirroring profile. Select the account as a master account. Okay, as you can see, the master account sample shows up here. We have added search boxes here that allows you to search a specific sample. Suppose I want to find your USD. I want to just follow your USD sample. So I'm going to search for it. It came up here. I will select it. Okay, it shows up here. Same search boxes here. If you have several samples here, selected several samples, you can search between samples here. Now, the new major feature that we added in this version is sample mapping. As you might already know, different brokers uses different names for the same sample. One broker call your USD, another broker use slash between quote and base currency. So if you're trying to copy one broker account orders to another broker, you might not be able unless you specify the sample mapping manually. Suppose our slave account broker uses EUR/USD for euro dollar sample. Here you have instead of auto, you have to select manual, and there is a text box that you can set the sample name. So for any euro USD sample order in master account, the mirroring profile will copy this sample orders to samples that we specify in this text box. Now I'm going to specify euro/dollar, and the orders will be copied to this to this sample on slave accounts. And here we have same new search box added here, and we also added a new feature in 3.1, which was very helpful, and it was requested by several users. The setting volume per slave account instead of one general volume setting for all accounts. Now you can have, if you select a slave account here, you can enable the separate volume setting for the slave account, and here you can set it to fixed, multiple, or set the amount here. Also, we have new sleeping mode. Okay, one major issue we had with previous versions of cMAM, because on weekend days Spotwar do maintenance, and when they do maintenance, their API servers are not working, and if you add any running mirroring profile during the weekends, your cMAM would crash, because the cMAM couldn't handle the disconnection between it and the API servers. So we added a new sleeping mode here. It's useful. It's optional if you want to use it or not. It's optional, not required. You can enable it. Set as day of the week here. Start time. Suppose I want to turn off put my mirroring profile on sleeping on Sunday, 12 a.m. to Monday, and cMAM automatically puts your mirroring profile on sleep mode on in Sunday 12 a.m. until Monday 12 a.m. And once the time elapsed, it will automatically starts back your mirroring profile. Now I can save it here. Okay, we have here a new column. It's called status. The status column shows four different values. One is stop running, and disabled, and sleeping. If your mirroring profile is in sleeping time, instead of running, if it was running, you will see sleeping here. And there is another status which is disabled. Your mirroring profile goes to disable the status if you by mistake remove your mirroring profile master account during adding new trading accounts, or remove some of the slave accounts. For that, to change back the status of mirroring profile to active, you have to re-add the master account or slave accounts, and cMAM automatically change the status of cMAM of the mirroring profile. This was all the new stuff we added on cMAM this version. It was the second major release of cMAM in less than a month. It shows how we are dedicated to cMAM, and we are still working hard on it to improve it. If you have any suggestion, please leave a comment or contact us via our site. We also have a new official support group in Telegram for cMAM users. If you need quick support or real-time support, you can contact us there, post your issue there. We will get to you as soon as possible. This video ends here. Leave a comment if you have any suggestion. We are all open to hear from you if you have any problem, or if you have any idea to improve cMAM. Bye.